I think Lynn actually got to see a lot of that too, and I can see her coming around a little bit. So it'll take some salesmanship on my part, but I think we can get it around. This is so much a beautiful house.
It has a lot to offer. I mean, it's a very, very good value.
Yeah, at the same time though, I mean, it's a little cookie cutter for my taste. There's not much privacy or land. You know, it's not quite what I envisioned in Charlottesville.
Since Lynn wants a farmhouse out in the country, that's where they're headed next.
This is gorgeous. Oh, this is that country feel I was going for.
May I have your attention, ladies and gentlemen? This is the final boarding call for the vacation property of your dreams.
Whoa, this is pretty.
All viewers looking for small beaches, breathtaking living spaces, and the deal of a lifetime. Can have it all.
This is one of the biggest beachfront bargains I've ever seen.
Please have your boarding pass ready for Beachfront Bargain Hunt. New episode Wednesday at 9.
That's exactly what we are looking for.
On behalf of the entire crew, I do hope you enjoy your viewing experience, and thank you for choosing HGTV.
You are watching HGTV, part of Shaw.
Try delicious Mini Baby Bell cheddar taste. A source of calcium and protein, it's a fun snack that's 100% natural. Mini Baby Bell, the little delight that likes to get out.
People would tell me that I looked tired or angry. I felt like I was getting lines around my face.
Juvederm is an injectable facial filler used by your doctor to instantly refresh your appearance. It uses hyaluronic acid, a sugar naturally found in your body, and is clinically proven to last up to a year.
It will boost your confidence. It will give you a feeling of rejuvenation. It's me, but younger.
Visit juvederm.ca to get a virtual makeover and find a qualified doctor.
Before Next Issue came along, Darren and Vanessa's love of magazines got in the way. Really got in the way.
Thought he was going to wake up there for a second.
Introducing Next Issue, a new and convenient way to enjoy unlimited access to over 100 of the world's best magazines.